Hello, so in this video I want to show you how you can prove the geometric series formula. So you have two possibilities. The first one is this one where you have 1 minus r to the n, and the second one is r to the n minus 1. And you need to make sure that whenever you are proving, you prove the correct one. The order is important. So just as we did with the arithmetic sequence, so Sn is T1 plus T2 plus T3 and so on up until we get to the nth term. So we can write this for a geometric. The first term is A, the second term is AR, the third term will be AR squared, and so on up until we get to the last term, which is ARn to the minus 1. And we call this equation 1. To get the second equation, you need to multiply everything in the first with r. So you'll get r Sn equals to AR plus AR squared, and so on. Then ARn to the minus 1 will be the second last term, because the last term now will be AR to the power n, because this was our last term, and when you multiply by r, so it will be n minus 1 plus 1, leaving you with just n. So we call this the second equation. So depending on the formula that you need to prove, you can either say equation 2 minus 1 or 1 minus 2. So if you say 1 minus 2, so you'll have Sn minus Rsn, Sn minus Rsn, and then A minus 0 will be AR minus AR, 0, AR squared minus AR squared, 0, ARn to the minus 1 minus this, 0, 0 minus AR to the power n is minus AR to the power n. You can take out Sn as your common factor. You have 1 minus r. And then on this side, you can take out A as your common factor, and you have 1 minus r to the n. Divide by 1 minus r on both sides. Sn will be A into 1 minus r to the n all over 1 minus r. So that will be the first formula. If you are asked to prove the other one, so it means you have to say equation 2 minus 1. So we can do it this side. So 2 minus equation 1. So Rsn minus Sn, Rsn minus Sn equals 2. So 0 minus A will be minus A, and the middle terms will cancel up until we have A times r to the n minus 0, which would be just positive ARn, AR to the power n. So this would be minus A plus AR to the power n. So Rsn minus Sn is AR to the n minus A. Then you take out the common factor. You have r minus 1 equals to A into r to the n minus 1. Divide by r minus 1 on both sides, and you have A to the power r times to the power n minus 1 all over r minus 1. So those are the two possibilities, and you need to be careful to choose the possibility that was asked in the question.